I knew Jessica Burns when she first joined the museum. She was enthusiastic, well-mannered, and overall respectable individual. Out of everyone, she's one of the only people I could genuinely say I enjoyed. And to hear about her death, gotta say I'm sad. But honestly, one thing I do remember about her is like the way that she ate her Kit Kat.
I knew Jessica. She was my best friend. Me and her worked together in the museum for years. She was so excited to hear that she got to be a part of the grand opening of the Shadows of Egypt exhibit.
I love Jessica so much that I can't believe that she just